We are here at Ellen's Cafe. Ambience is good. We are the only customer inside, but there are customers outside. Typically, Cambodian and Vietnamese people, they like to eat along the banqueta and face along the road. So, if you can see, right that. And then we ordered what did I order? I ordered club toast, which is $2 and classic toast, and I ordered American condensed milk with coffee. So yun, antayin natin yung order natin, mga Happy Noise. Welcome Happy Noise travelers, and nandito tayo ngayon sa Ellen Cafe. Ang Ellen Cafe is located along the main street within the city. So, mamaya makita natin, likod natin. Then we also got a ticket already to going to Phnom Penh on the 26th. So, what's good here, we will discuss that in a later vlog. Smells good, ah. The coffee smells good, oh. And the condensed milk. And this is the condensed milk ice. In fairness, mabango yung kape dito sa Ellen's Cafe. So today, hindi kami kakain sa mga restaurants na nakikita natin sa Manila. Kasi meron din ditong Burger King, meron ding Burger King, ano bang nandun? May KFC, pero we're trying out the local restaurants here. Uy, pwede, mabango. Mamaya, tikman natin yung Clubhouse. Oh, ito naman yung ice condensed coffee. Mukhang masarap. So in fairness, got the first sip, masarap, perfect yung kape. Perfect yung tapang. Ito yung kapeng hindi duwag. Ito yung matapang na kape. Pero kung ikaw ay medyo mahina ang loob, next time, hindi ka ng kapeng duwag. Para hindi matapang. At sana, kayanin ang loob mo. Yung kapeng duwag. Pero masarap, oh. Tikim kayo ng kapeng matapang para lumakas din ang loob nyo. So, this is what I ordered. Clubhouse sandwich. And classic toast. Looks yummy.